everyone, in this video I will show you how by using Google Gemini you can create a WhatsApp chatbot that will automatically reply to all the queries that you receive from your customers or leads in your business on WhatsApp. Yes, this is possible. You can create an amazing AI WhatsApp chatbot using this amazing setup that you can see on this screen right here. So without wasting any further time, first of all let me show you how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to automatically reply to all my queries. Using my WhatsApp number, I will ask some question towards this WhatsApp chatbot and check whether what kind of replies am I receiving on my WhatsApp. So I will ask my first question. I run a small clothing store in Pune. Can I start buying from you with a small trial order first? So I will ask my first question towards this bot right over here on WhatsApp as a customer. It will take few seconds for this bot to reply back to me. So I will wait over here for a few seconds. Over here you can see I have received the reply. Hello, welcome to Urban Weave Clothing Co. So right now I have a clothing manufacturer business. So this bot is created related to my business. So it will reply to all those questions only. Yes, absolutely. We encourage first-time buyers to start with trial order. Our minimum order quantity is 20 pieces per design. You can mix various styles within that. What kind of orders are you looking for to stock in your store? I can share our latest catalog with you. You can see right over here I have received this reply. I have another question, that is, how long have you been supplying wholesale clothing in India? So now I will ask my next question towards this bot. Again, it will take few seconds to send the reply back to me. So you have to wait over here for a few seconds. So I'm going to wait. We have been supplying wholesale clothing across India since 2019. What kind of products are you looking for? You can see I've received this message. I have my last question left, that is, are you a manufacturer or do you source clothes from different factories? So this is my last question that I'm asking towards this bot. I will wait for the reply right now. We are direct manufacturer with our own production facilities. This allows us to maintain strict quality control and offer competitive wholesale prices to our partners. So you can see right over here, this bot is automatically replying to all my queries. This bot is created with the help of Google Gemini, and you can create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business right away as well. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that we can create using Google Gemini AI. So I've already created a workflow using Pabbly Connect. I'm creating this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Connect without need of any coding and programming skills. Simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you, where you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, sign up for free from here. You can test out this bot for absolutely no cost. Yes, you can create this WhatsApp chatbot for free right away if you sign up for free. Okay, now if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime deals, check out the code I've added on the left side of my screen right over here, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. Go and use the code. You will automate your business workflows as well. Okay, sign in from here, create the workflow, and you will come to the workflow interface just like this. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action, and I will set up my trigger right here. Now I manage WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chat Flow. So that is why I will be selecting Pabbly Chat Flow in the trigger right here. If you manage the WhatsApp business conversation in your business using WhatsApp Cloud API, AI Sensi, Wati, you can select all those applications right over here in the trigger according to your requirement. I will be selecting Pabbly Chat Flow right here. Okay, and then over here for this event, I will select it as new message received. As soon as I will receive a new message inside my Pabbly Chat Flow WhatsApp business number, automatically I want this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why I've selected these details. You can also use WhatsApp Cloud API or any other WhatsApp managing tool that you're using in your business according to your requirement and select the same event. Okay, after that I'm going to click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, you need to provide the token. To have the token, log into your Pabbly Chat Flow account. From the panel, go to settings and go towards this APIs and webbook section right here. If you want to learn how you can set up your business inside Pabbly Chat Flow, if you want to learn what are the features of of Pabbly Chat Flow in brief, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below, create your setup and come back to this video right here if you are using Pabbly Chat Flow. And this coupon code will work for Pabbly Chat Flow as well if you want to buy our Pabbly Chat Flow plan. So remember that the coupon code is also added in the description section. Okay, now over here you will see an API token has been provided. I am going to generate this token from here again, copy this token and paste over here in this field. This is how you build the connection. Okay, I have clicked on the save button. As soon as I've done that, you can see over here we have received the webhook URL. Now copy this URL and go back to the same page again. Over here you will see the option of add webhook. Click on this button. Now for the name of my webhook, let's suppose I'm going to write it as testing as the name. You can name according to your requirement. For the URL, I will paste the webhook URL and the event is going to be new message received. I want to send the new message towards this URL, so that is I will select this event and click on this add button. And as soon as I will do that, you will see this testing webhook URL is added inside my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So this is how you create the connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect. Over here in the trigger, we have received the status as success. That means the webhook URL has successfully added inside my Pabbly Chat Flow account. Now I want to capture the response of what? The new message received. So I will recapture the response right over here. As soon as I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Pabbly Chat Flow is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I'm going to send a new message towards this bot again and check whether my trigger captures the response of the new message received or not. Okay, so let me send a new message right over here. You can see right over here the messages. What happens if I receive defected items in my order? Okay, so this is the question that I have forwarded. So as soon as I have sent this message, if I'm going to go back to my trigger, it will take few seconds for the response to arrive, so you have to wait over here. The message is a new message has been received. You can see right over here. If I'll further scroll down, you can see the message that I have received is what happens if I receive defected items in my order. So as now you can see I have received this message successfully. I have received the phone number who have sent this message as well. Our trigger has been successfully set up. Okay, now whenever a new message is going to be received on my WhatsApp, automatically this trigger is going to capture the response of that. Now there are cases sometimes where you will receive a response in the trigger without the message entire body. In that case, what I will do is I will add a condition inside this workflow. I will add an action step in which for the action application I will select over here as filter by Pabbly. Event is going to be filter values. Okay, I will click on the connect button. For the label, I will select the label of the message that I have received. You can see right over here if I will search for the message. I have received this message. This field should never be empty. So I'm going to select over here is not empty. So this field should not be empty, and then only the entire workflow after the filter should be further executed. Okay, so I'm going to click on this event send test request button. So as currently this field is not empty, I've received the success response and the condition is true. Okay, and if this field will be empty, this workflow is going to stop right away at this filter step and it's not going to be further executed. Okay, so now we have to generate the reply to this question that we have received using Google Gemini. So I will add an action step in which for the action application I will select over here as what? Google AI Studio, that is Gemini, and the event is going to be generate content. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, you have to provide this API key token. To have the token, go towards this hyperlink right over here and you will come to the API key section of your Gemini account. Okay, you have to click on this get API key button right over here and then click on this create API key. You have to enter the name of your key right over here, select the project and generate the key. I have already created a key, so I'm going to copy it over here and paste it inside this field and click on the save button. Now after creating the connection, firstly it is asking for the prompt with the help of which my Gemini is going to generate me the response. Remember, you should have a paid account with Google Gemini in order to generate the responses. So now over here for this text, the prompt with the help of which this AI is going to know about the question and know about my business details, and then according to the details and the question it will generate the reply. So I'm going to enter the text, my prompt right over here as you are an AI customer support and sales assistant for a wholesale clothing company named Urban Weave Clothing Co. Your role is to assign potential wholesale buyers who contact business through WhatsApp. You must answer their questions and explain products, policies and guide them through the wholesale ordering process. Important instruction, you must only generate the reply that that will be sent to the customer do not include explanations, notes, formatting instructions, or any other extra text. Your output must only be the message reply. Message from customer. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a slash where you want to map the data. You will see previous steps are going to appear, and I will search for this message right here. So as I want to generate a reply for this question, I will select the data of this message from my previous response. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped, and as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, you will see the business overview. Urban Reef Clothing Co. is a wholesale clothing manufacturer and distributor that supplies apparel in bulk to retailers, boutiques, resellers, online store owners across India. The company do not sell products individually to retail customers. All the orders are wholesale only. You can see I've entered the detail of my business in brief right here. You can enter more details about your business and create a very long prompt. But this is what I want, so I will skip the part. Model, I will be using the 2.5 Gemini Pro model right over here. If you want, you can use a different model according to your requirement. And for the method, I want to generate the content. I will select this method and click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, I've received a response right here, which is a positive response. Hello. We take quality very seriously. In the rare event where you receive an item with a manufacturing defect, please inform us within 48 hours of delivery with the clear photo and video. We will promptly arrive for replacement. You can see right over here, I have received this reply successfully from my Gemini AI. Okay, so as now the reply has been received, let's send this message back. I will add an action step in which for the action application, I will select over here as Pabbly Chat Flow, and the event is going to be send text message. And then click on this connect button. If you want, you can add a new connection over here, but I will select the existing connection from before and click on the save button. After that, it is asking for the recipient's WhatsApp number to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message to. For the recipient's WhatsApp number, I will map the data of the phone number that I have received right over here. This is the phone number. I will map it. Next, it is asking for the WhatsApp message, for which I will map the date of the generated message right over here. There is no name, so I'm going to skip the part of the name of this contact over here in the field. Opt-in, I will select over here as yes. Incoming block, I will select over here as no. Then over here for the tags to remove, I will skip the part. Tags to add, I will skip the part. For the keys, I'm going to leave this field blank, which I do not want. And then simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, I've received this response where I've received the status as success. And if I'm going to open my WhatsApp, yes, you can see the same reply has been forwarded on my WhatsApp right here. So as I've received this message back, this means the connection between WhatsApp and Google Gemini has now been created successfully. The entire setup has now been created. Now, whenever a new question you will receive from any of your customers or leads or clients on WhatsApp for your business, automatically this bot is going to generate the reply to that question instantly according to your business policies, roles, and responsibilities. Okay? So now as I've received the message back, the setup has now been created again in place of Pabbly Chat Flow. If you're using WhatsApp Cloud API, Wati, AI Sensei, or any another WhatsApp managing tool, you can set up that trigger and action in place of Pabbly Chat Flow as well. Okay. Now, if you want this workflow link or the prompt that I have used in this Google Gemini step, if you want the format of this prompt, comment down below prompt and I will send you the format of this prompt right away. If you have questions or doubts, for that you have to comment down below as well. Use the code in order to purchase the plan of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Chat Flow to get the instant discounts on the early and lifetime deals. The code is in the description section as well. The workflow that I've created in this video is also in the description section. Go and check it out. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.